Hey you guys, I'm here in beautiful Eugene, Oregon at Territorial MX for round 2 of the Pac West series. Shaping up to be a wonderful weekend. I can't wait, this track is magnificent. But I've got some questions for some of these riders. So I'm gonna head to the pits and I'm gonna see if I can make them blush. So how's the day going?
Good.
Good? Okay, so, you know, goons have their own style. So out of these 3 choices, which goon style would you choose? Would you have your visor too low, goggle strap too low, or mismatched gear?
Visor too low because of sun, and I already do that.
I'd probably have to go the visor too low.
Why is that?
I don't know.
I think I'd have to go with the low visor, honestly.
Why is that?
Because it just looks really, really bad.
Mismatch gear.
Okay, okay.
Got excited about that.
Easy.
Mismatch gear.
Mismatch
all day
gear?
long. Yep.
All right.
Your head looks intact and the rest of it don't matter. Board shorts, flip flops, overalls don't matter.
Low hanging goggle strap. No. Yeah. Mismatched gear is out of the question. I can't go. I can't do it.
I'm gonna say low visor. I'm gonna go super low goggle strap. One of these.
Zach?
I'd go mismatched gear.
Why is that?
Because it looks the best.
Mismatched gear.
Mismatched gear? How about you, man?
Oh, I'll go with the low goggle strap.
Okay, and you?
And I'll go with the low visor.
Low visor?
Yeah.
I like it, some variety. All right.
I say mismatched gear.
Okay.
Everyone notices the mismatched gear. You just gotta be out there with your stuff.
Visor down.
You're hitting the track, and you have one of these options. You're gonna go out with a super dirty air filter, a really rusty chain, or a half-broken clutch lever.
Oh, air filter all the way, because if your bike looks good, you feel good, you ride good. It's math, it's science, bro.
I'm going broken clutch lever because I can still function her.
Still rock it. What about you, Zach?
For the fact that I have 2 of the 3, so I'll go for the dirty air filter and the rusty chain. I spit on her a couple times a day to lube her up.
We'll go with the half broken clutch lever.
Yeah?
I'll do the dirty air filter.
Okay. Rusty chain, dirty air filter.
Chain. Oh yeah.
Oh really? That's brave. That's brave of you.
Half broken clutch lever because it's not going to really affect the bike. So I'm going to go with the clutch lever.
Clutch lever? Okay.
Half a clutch lever for sure.
Why is that?
Because I don't grab the very outside of my clutch anyways. I only grab it with these 2.
Okay.
So it'd probably work better for me anyway.
Okay.
Super dirty air filter because she'll be running a little bit rich, so I'm gonna get the pops. And I mean, they sound cool, so.
I do the broken lever.
Probably half broken clutch lever because I ride them like that anyways.
half broken clutch lever.
Super dirty air filter. I never have a clean one, bro.
Probably a dirty air filter.
Yeah.
Sounds the same.
Right. You got to deal with one of these discomforts for the rest of your days. Sore throat, chafing thighs, or itchy butthole. What are you choosing?
All of them, man. All of them.
What are you going to deal with for the rest of your life? For the rest of your life. Itchy butthole?
Itchy butthole.
It's so satisfying to itch
I can
that,
itch
right?
my butthole every day if I want.
I think I'd have to go with the itchy butthole because like the chafing thighs, that would suck for like ever. You're just, and you can't really walk comfortably, like, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I've had strep throat and that sucks. But the itchy butthole, I mean, you can just deal with it, honestly.
Oh, sore throat.
Sore throat.
Sore throat?
Does chafing thighs mean?
That means your inner thighs are just rubbing together and they get really raw and uncomfortable.
I'm gonna go with sore throat because
Okay.
I have one right now. So.
Oh, okay.
Sore throat, so I'm gonna go itchy butthole.
Okay.
Dude, definitely itchy butthole gives me a reason to itch her.
Oh, that one's a tough one.
We'll go with chafy thighs.
Oof.
No, that would hurt.
Ugh.
I'll do sore throat. Yeah.
You going sore throat?
I'll do the itchy butthole.
My man. My man.
There you go. Chafing butthole. Chafing thighs.
Chafing. Oh, why?
Because I got an itchy butthole and it sucks.
You got sore throat.
Well, if you have an itchy butthole, if you eat Mexican food, you can fart a lot. So when you fart a lot, it'll itch the butthole so you won't have really an ailment. So you're good. Itchy butthole.
Yeah!
Probably an itchy butthole.
Yeah! It's a satisfying day. You get the itch.
I mean, because then you can just shake it whenever you want.
Attaboy!